sa mga mahihirap, this tells me, Jay, that the economy is indeed worsening. Bakit ko nasabi na lumalala? Kasi kung gumaganda at nagiging prosperous ang ekonomiya, dapat yung mga ayuda na yan, hindi tumalaki, hindi dumadami, lumiliit yan. Kasi pagka nagiging prosperous na, there's less need, for these dole-outs na binibigay sa mga mahihirap. Sa nakikita natin, based on sinabi ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. yesterday, what is happening is that there is an expansion of these ayuda programs, which sends a signal that, the fact na nangangailangan ka ng maraming ayuda, well, it sends two signals actually. One is that the economy is worsening, and another is that they are using the ayuda in aid of election. Kasi nga naman, next year mag-e-election na eh. So it's about time na magkaroon ng mga iba't ibang klaseng ayuda. I-expand natin itong ayuda. Baka posibleng more than 500 billion ang ipamigay nila dyan, in aid of election.